This is the Ed Schempp Spyderco Navaja, and supposedly it has the Carracas sound. You can see, perhaps, maybe right through there, the little wheel. It's got the teeth in it on the left, and unfortunately that doesn't work. And it's there, you can see the wheel on the right side a lot better. It's supposed to make a ratcheting sound of like the Carracas. Well, the reason it doesn't is because, according to what I have read and been told by other owners, within 2 to 3 days after buying this knife, then the Carracas sound ceases to exist. So if you like the Navaja, which I do, it's a nice knife. The ergos are awesome. It sharpens tremendously sharp. It took on a great edge, but it is CPM S30V steel, and you know that is excellent quality. This knife is made in Taichung, Taiwan. It has carbon fiber on it, which I really like. It's a good knife, and that crucible steel CPM S30V is really something that I am, I guess, drawn to, more so than a lot of others. But they say the Carracas ratcheting sound supposedly is to generate a reaction similar to the sound of chambering around in a gun or a firearm, which is a distinctive sound to a lot of people, and attributed to deterring, criminal behavior, they say. So if you flip that out and the ratcheting sound of the Carracas ratchets, which this one doesn't, or most of them don't, then that's supposed to ward off any possible criminal activity that you may be getting into. The overall length of this knife is almost 9 inches. It's 8.625, 219 millimeters. It's got a good lockup. I would say on this one it is about 35%. As far as blade centering goes, it's pretty centered, leaning a little close to the right on this particular one. But it is used, and I traded for it, so it doesn't matter to me. I mean, it's a great EDC. The closed length is 4.75 inches, and the cutting edge is 3.156, a complete, almost 4-inch cutting edge, because it extends all the way up to the top part, or the curve in the blade. So if you like carbon fiber, and you like getting a knife that may ratchet and may not on the Carracas, then go for it. It's a great knife. I think you'll like it. I know I do. It's got good detent too, by the way. I didn't show you that. One-handed detent. There you go. Pops right in. So that's it. Thanks for watching.